you guys, it's Lone Trooper 576, and I am standing right here at Cheekwood, looking right at their new exhibit for the trains. Now, what they have done is very cool. They don't have any Halloween spirited stuff, but they have a lot of nice stuff, like over here. This is their only actual real train, but and here's my second favorite plant, the pillow plant. Very comfy. Now this is a video on following it around the entire Cheekwood. Thomas gets the biggest sack. Curse you, Thomas! There it comes on the divider. It's coming up the hill, onto the curve. Sorry. Over here inside of the bridge, there's the curve right there better. Hopefully we'll see that cargo train soon. There's the cargo train, if you can see over there. That's my brother hating Thomas. Of course, we like real trains. Here's the curve. There it goes, guys. I'm going to go catch up to it again. See if I can get you guys a closer view. That's it, guys. Oh. That's the entire Cheekwood train. See ya.